An enzyme is a protein that has a job of speeding up a biological reaction. So it makes the reaction go faster. It's a protein that speeds up a biological reaction. By biological reaction, I just mean like a reaction that occurs inside a living system. These proteins make our reactions, biological reactions inside our body. It speeds them up by anywhere from 1,000,000 times faster to 1,000,000,000,000 times faster. So they definitely have a huge impact on the efficiency of our body. A cofactor, which is also sometimes called a coenzyme, is a molecule. This is not a protein, it's a molecule, or sometimes it is a metal ion, a cation. It just assists enzymes, makes them work even faster, or makes them work more efficiently. Enzymes are a lot of times modeled as molecules that have like a pocket in them. So sometimes enzymes are shown as sort of a Pac-Man looking shape, where this is the protein right here, and it's got some sort of hole inside of it, some sort of opening inside of it. The substance that is designed to be acted on by this protein is something that just really fits perfectly inside this opening of the enzyme. And so there's like this little pocket that is referred to as the active site. This is the active site. And then there is this some sort of reactant that just pops right into this reactive site perfectly, just like this. An enzyme inhibitor is some sort of substance, like maybe it's a molecule or some sort of thing that binds to the active site of an enzyme. It's not supposed to be there. And when it binds to the active site of the enzyme, it blocks the enzyme from being able to do what it's supposed to do. So it alters this inhibitor, it alters, or sometimes it destroys the function of the enzyme, depending on how permanent this binding process is. So an inhibitor maybe looks something like this. So it's like a molecule that's going to fit inside this active site, but it just doesn't belong there. And maybe this inhibitor sits there like permanently, forever. And the desired molecule can't make its way in because this inhibitor is in the way. There are some great examples of enzyme inhibitors that work, really well inside our body to help us survive. So for example, penicillin is an enzyme inhibitor. Its job is to bind to an enzyme that is inside the bad bacteria, that the bacteria need this particular enzyme to function in order to build new cells. So penicillin binds itself into the active site, which means that these bad bacteria are not able to build new cell walls and ultimately unable to reproduce. So in some situations, an enzyme inhibitor serves a really great useful purpose inside our body.